Master Gourmet next door. Who's dancing with me tonight? Savage love. Did somebody break your heart? Savage love. Guys, tonight we're gonna be making a shrimp Caesar salad. You heard me right. It's gonna be nice and crunchy. I'm gonna make a homemade Caesar dressing and we're gonna top it with cooked shrimp for the extra protein and the boost. You guys ready? Let's get Caesar salading! Let's take a quick look at our ingredients. It's super simple. So tonight I'm gonna be using the Caesar romaine lettuce. I have some beautiful cooked shrimp here. Let me fix my hairdo. And then we're gonna make a beautiful Caesar dressing. And I'm gonna top everything with an avocado. But for the dressing, what we're gonna need is good olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, Dijon mustard, little Worcestershire sauce, that one, and then some anchovy paste, or you can use regular anchovy fillets, and lemon juice. Guys, the first thing I'm gonna start with is to wash my lettuce. Even if those prepackaged salads are awesome, make sure you wash them because they're usually not washed. So what I do is I put some water, cold water and apple cider vinegar, and I leave my lettuce in there a little bit to kill all the germs. And then I'm gonna put it through a dryer so it becomes really nice and crispy and fresh and dry, because a dry lettuce always will soak up your dressing so much more efficiently. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some paper towels and I'm gonna lay my lettuce, my clean washed lettuce. This is gonna help drying process even better. So the lettuce is done. Got my avocado, my shrimp is cooked. So the only thing I'm gonna do is really focus on the dressing, and this is super awesome. I find the restaurant Caesar dressings really oily and really heavy. So this is an adaptation of that. I hope you like it, and it comes together in 5 minutes. So let's take a clean bowl. We're gonna build the salad in this. You're gonna need a whisk and a couple of tablespoons to work. Guys, let's start building the dressing. So first I got a Dijon mustard. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Into the Dijon mustard, I'm gonna grate 1 clove of garlic. So usually you would also put Parmesan cheese in Caesar dressing, but in this one I'm omitting it because the rule I learned in Italy is you never mix fish with Parmesan cheese. And since I'm putting shrimp on the salad, I'm just gonna let go of the cheese so it also becomes vegan. So if you're gonna do this with chicken, something like that, feel free to add cheese as you please. Cheese as you please. Sounds like a riddle. Now, into my mustard and my garlic, we're gonna put some anchovy paste. Now, if you don't have anchovy paste, I love the paste because it saves me lots of trouble. If you just have the anchovy fillets, just take 2 of them and just chop it up really finely and drop it into your dressing. It works the same. So, I'm gonna use about 2 teaspoons of this good stuff. Now, if you don't like too much, don't put as much. But I love anchovies, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons. Now, Worcestershire sauce is that magic thing that brings everything together. So I'm gonna also add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. It's like a really nice umami savory note. Guys, into this, let's go ahead and add our lemon juice. So I'm gonna squeeze the whole lemon. Guys, I'm missing home terribly these days. I really am. And I'm trying to figure out when is the right time to go home. I don't think anybody has the answer. But I'm really missing my family, but also I'm missing our farm. Everything about home. I'm just missing it. Until then, we gotta take care of ourselves. And that's exactly what I'm doing tonight. I'm making myself a really nice healthy dinner. Guys, now what we're gonna do is give this a little mix. So we want all those ingredients to mingle with each other. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit salt to my dressing. You don't want too much because anchovies are already pretty salty. Let's give this a nice mix. Okay, at this point I want to give it a try. It's very light, it's very fresh. Now it's gonna be adding the olive oil. So this is what's gonna make it super rich. Now you want to drizzle the oil as you're whisking to help emulsify. There's no egg in this, huh? There's no raw egg. Because usually that's what you have in Caesar dressing. And the dressing's really good. You can put it in the fridge in an airtight container. It's gonna last you a couple of days, a week possibly. So guys, once you get to the right consistency, that's when I stop drizzling the oil. I'm gonna put a little bit more, but I think I'm there personally. And the way to check if your dressing is good to go is you take a lettuce and you put it in. You see, it's coating my lettuce. Now you give it a try. It's absolutely perfect. It's nice and light. We're good to go. Guys, what you always want to do with salad is you want to dress up your salad and then top it. So I'm just gonna dump all my lettuce into my beautiful bowl here. And then with dressing, I'm gonna just drizzle half of it. And then I'm gonna take my fork and just make sure my lettuce is coated in the dressing. Now, if it's not enough, you can always drizzle more, but you don't want your lettuce swimming in dressing. This is actually pretty perfect. So we're done. Guys, I gotta show you this beautiful plate. I just bought it from Crate and Barrel. Online delivery, a couple of days. It's absolutely beautiful. It's black, so it's gonna make my salad shine. So, first thing, we're gonna put our lettuce down. Absolutely gorgeous. Now it's time for our shrimp. To be honest, I love this cooked shrimp idea because you don't have to cook it. It's ready to go. It's a quick protein. You can drop in pasta, you can drop in salad. It's just super great. Or you can just take your favorite sauce and dunk it and eat it. It's cooked. So I'm just gonna lay these in a nice pretty fashion. Let's see if my artistic skills are gonna carry me through. Perfect. Now the salad needs a bit more green. So I have this gorgeous avocado. I'm gonna put half an avocado. It's always awesome when you cut into an avocado and it's just perfect. So carefully, I'm gonna score it. Just gonna randomly put my avocado squares. I think shrimp and avocado probably are the best combination ever. They're just so gorgeous together. Okay, I'm gonna also sprinkle some walnuts. I think it's gonna be a nice combo with these beautiful ingredients. I haven't been eating that well lately. I actually haven't been eating well lately. This is first gonna be gorgeous. Second is it's packed full of healthy fats, different textures. You got the soft shrimp, you got the crunchy lettuce, you got the tangy dressing. It's gonna be the super bomb salad. You know, I'm also gonna drizzle a little sesame seed, black sesame seed, it's just gonna make the plate pop. And it adds some great nutrition. Guys, there we have it. This is my shrimp Caesar salad. Bon appetit! Now is my favorite time. Let's give this salad a go. Some avocado, some lettuce, some walnut. Guys, I'm gonna drizzle a bit more dressing over the top. Also a little bit on the shrimp. Because we added those goodies and I also want them to be dressed up. Let's give this a shrimp a try. It's super yummy, super healthy, filled with fiber, vitamins, good for your immune system. Give this recipe a try. Stay tuned for more from Gourmet Next Door.